How did the 1960 for Civil Rights Act impact black voting? Have you ever wondered how a single piece of legislation could change the course of history? The Civil Rights Act of 1964 is one such law that made a significant impact on black voting rights in the United States. This act was a major milestone in the fight against racial discrimination, particularly in voting. Before the act, many black Americans faced numerous barriers when trying to register to vote. Discriminatory practices like literacy tests and poll taxes were common in several states, especially in the South. These tactics were designed to keep black citizens from exercising their right to vote. The Civil Rights Act of 1964 aimed to put an end to these unfair practices. One of the key features of the act was its prohibition against discrimination based on race in voter registration. It made it illegal for local officials to apply different standards for black voters compared to white voters. This was a game changer, as it meant that federal oversight could step in when states tried to impose unfair voter registration rules. The act also allowed the federal government to appoint registrars to help register voters and monitor elections. This was crucial for protecting black voters from intimidation and unfair treatment at the polls. With federal support, black Americans could feel safer and more confident when they went to vote. While the Civil Rights Act of 1964 laid the groundwork for more equitable voting practices, it did not completely eliminate all barriers. Issues like literacy tests and poll taxes continued to exist in many southern states. However, these obstacles were addressed more directly in the following year with the Voting Rights Act of 1965, which banned literacy tests outright. The combination of these two acts led to a remarkable increase in black voter registration. In the South, black voter registration jumped from about 35% in 1964 to nearly 65% by 1969. This surge in registration marked a significant shift in political power and representation for black Americans. The Civil Rights Act of 1964 was not just a law. It was a reflection of the hard work and sacrifices made by countless activists who fought for equal rights. It played a vital role in dismantling legal segregation and discrimination, paving the way for greater political empowerment in the years that followed. The impact of this act on voting rights was a major achievement in the broader civil rights movement, helping to create a more inclusive democracy in America.